Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to calculate the total area of the selected objects in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. Draw some objects. This Lisp allows a user to create a multi-text object containing a field expression referencing the area, or sum of areas, of one or more selected objects. The user is prompted to make a selection of objects for which to retrieve the area. If more than one object is selected, the cumulative area for all objects will be displayed by the resultant multi-text field. Following object selection, the user is prompted to pick a point at which to create the multi-text field. If the specified point resides within an AutoCAD table cell, the program will populate the table cell with the appropriate field expression. Now load the Lisp, enter Upload, then choose your Lisp and load it. Type A, 2, and F, to activate the Lisp. Then select your objects.